Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to send one-time view pictures on Messenger. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the chat that you want to send one-time view picture. I can select this chat. After selecting the chat, you can now tap on gallery icon at the middle left of the screen. You can just simply select the video or photo here. I can select this photo. After selecting the photo, you can now tap on edit at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after this, you can just simply tap on send at the bottom right corner of the screen. And it is the way you can send one-time view picture on Messenger. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.